I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS online step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Next, take a diagnostic test to understand your current English level and identify areas needing improvement. Then, set a clear, achievable target band score. Finally, develop a personalized study plan, allocating specific times for each skill to ensure balanced preparation. To effectively prepare, leverage official IELTS resources like practice tests and sample answers. Many online platforms offer comprehensive courses with video lessons and interactive exercises. Join forums or study groups to share tips and get feedback from other test takers. Crucially, integrate timed mock tests into your routine to simulate exam conditions and improve your pacing across all 4 modules. Focus on targeted skill development for each section. For listening, expose yourself to various accents and topics. For reading, practice skimming, scanning, and understanding main ideas. In writing, learn essay structures and vocabulary for both Task 1 and Task 2. For speaking, record yourself, practice common topics, and seek opportunities for real conversations to boost fluency and confidence. Before your exam, review common grammatical structures and expand your vocabulary, especially academic terms. Practice time management rigorously during your final mock tests to ensure you complete all sections. Remember to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other helpful deals. On exam day, ensure you are well rested and approach each section with a calm and focused mindset. Trust your preparation and do your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.